Happy Friday, everybody. Mr. Jeff Bergum. Guess what I got in today? Check it out, brother. 1500 PSI electric AR pump pressure washer. I'm going to get your wall mounts built, get your hose reel wall mount built, get everything to powder coat, and get it shipped to you. All right, Mr. Bergum, give me about a week to get the wall mounts built and get them powder coated. Once I get everything powder coated, I'll get Old Dominion to get everything shipped to you. Coming your way. Can't wait to see it on your wall. Everybody have a good weekend. Peace.